Look at that dog, peeps.
Meet Jaxaniell!
And look at that dude.
Meet Jaxaniell!
Woo!
Isn't Jaxaniell cute? Say hi to Jaxaniell here.
Hi, Jax.
This is Jaxaniell. Meet Jaxaniell.
Hi.
Or short for Jax. Aww.
All right, can I have my...
Oh!
Ah!
Okay, everybody's got fish. Run!
Run! Okay,
I have
don't.
shoes on, so you can't run that far.
Aw, darn it. Hey, this is the dude that I punched in the face like a year.
Memes.
I punched this guy in the face like a year ago. That was a funny video.
Yeah, go down below and hit the like button and subscribe.
Please.
No.
Actually, no.
I am subscribed.
I have 7 subscribers, and they're all my sister's friends.
Awesome. Man, you got the views coming out of your ears.
One of my videos actually has 370 views.
You know we were trying to take a video of Jax, right? And now you're just like going crazy. Okay, you're gonna make people sick. Just look at more cute puppiness.
How am I going to make people sick?
Vertigo, bro. Cute puppy. Jax, you're my little sheep is you're just eating a ton of grass.
I don't think any epileptic people will watch my videos. They're already flashy enough.
Huh?
Just kidding, they're not that.
Hello. Look into his eyes. Guess what he's telling you? He's telling you, roof. Crash dab means roof views. Oh yes, that's so true, Jax. Man, so true.
So,
Views are needed.
You want to end this video or something?
I only have one last thing. For the memes!
Ah!
That's all I had to say.
For the memes?
For the memes, bros.
That's it?
Yes. The memes.